Hey y'all, when was the last time you had some monkey bread? That's right, monkey bread. You know you love it. I know I love it, but I haven't had it probably in years. This will be the first time I've made it in a long time, and I'll bet you it's the same for you. I mean, monkey bread. I just like saying the word, monkey bread. You know what? This is so easy, even your kids can help with this. Let's get started. First, you're gonna need 3 cans of biscuits, not the flaky type. Just the regular biscuit. Gonna need 1 cup of butter, which is 2 sticks of regular or one of the big blocks if you're using the fancy butter. We're gonna need some half a cup of brown sugar, cup of regular sugar, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. We're gonna be taking the sugar, pouring it into a 1 gallon size, freezer bag, putting the cinnamon in there, getting that all mixed up till it all kind of looks like one color in there. That's pretty good. Now I probably should have used the Ziploc because I've gotten some sugar on here. Who knows where else it's gotten. We're gonna be taking the biscuits, cutting those into quarters. As we do that, we can be dropping those into the bag. Now, instead of waiting for me to cut all these up, I'm going to show you how this works. Seal the bag so it doesn't get all over the place like it did for me. Get yourself a bundt pan and just kind of shake these things vigorously. It's going to get all the pieces nicely separated. Make sure they're all coated. Then take them out, start spreading them around. Start the process all over again. This is kind of what we've got so far. Just keep that up, and I'll check back with you in just a few moments. Now, if you want to, just to keep these a little bit more uniform, it doesn't hurt to go ahead and quarter them individually like this. And it really doesn't take that much extra time. If I didn't mention it before, make sure your oven is preheated to 350 degrees. Now, if you don't count that little demonstration shaking that I did for the camera to begin with, to do all 3 cans, you can basically do in about 2 different bagfuls. Not that complicated, folks. Give that a real good coating. Okay, so this is what it looks like now. Now I'm going to put this whole thing on a baking sheet. Okay, now for the fun part. Melting the butter and the brown sugar. Now, the directions normally say, do it in a saucepan over medium heat. I'm gonna try to rush the process a little bit. I'm gonna start out by starting to melt the butter in the microwave. Then I'm gonna add the brown sugar and start melting them together. After about a minute in the microwave, I got 2 sticks melted pretty much all the way. To that, I'm going to be adding the brown sugar. Give it a little bit of a mix into the warm butter. And we're going to be heating this up, stirring it around until we get a nice consistent color. Okay, I think I've got it looking pretty good here. Let's go ahead and pour it all over our little biscuits here. Okay, and into the oven it goes for 35 to 40 minutes. I'm going to shoot for 40, and we'll be right back. Okay, the moment of truth. I brought this out of the oven. I've let it cool down for about 10 minutes. I've got a plate that I think is going to be big enough to fit over the whole thing. Can I get this all out in one piece? And that's still hot, so I'm going to put those mitts back on. And I did it. Yeah. That is one awesome looking monkey bread bundt cake pan sort of deal. Check out how this looks up close. That is pretty phenomenal. Now, of course, I've got to sample it. Where I'm going to pull the sample from. Let's see. How about this little spot here? That is so light, so delicate, and so sweet. It still would probably be better if I let it cool down some more, because it's still kind of breaking apart, but here's a whole one right here. This is gonna be hot, so let's hope I don't burn the dookies out of my mouth. This is heavenly, y'all. Y'all have got to try this. So simple, great project to do with the kids. Does not take hardly any time at all. Give me a like down below, maybe a subscription, leave me a comment, and I will catch y'all next week. Bye-bye. Oh yeah, this is good. I'll give you some when it cools down, Gunner.